Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to edit notification permission for sites on OperaGX. First thing you need to do is open up your settings. So you can use the keyboard shortcut of Alt+P to quickly get you there. Then you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. Click on site settings and then you can see notifications. Click on it. Now here you can manage notification settings for all sites. They have the default behavior which all sites must obey. Sites automatically follow the default settings when you visit them. Sites usually send notifications to let you know about breaking news or chat messages. Now if you want sites to be able to access and send you notifications, turn this on first. Next, do you want to collapse all requests into the address bar? If you do, you turn it on here. If you want to only collapse unwanted requests, which is the recommended option, choose this. Then if you want to expand all requests, choose this. Then if you do not want to allow the site to send notifications at all, you choose this option. It's as simple as that. They also have the customized behavior. Now sites listed below follow different settings from the default settings. Now if you do not want to allow any particular site to send notification, you can click on add to add the sites you do not want. So you put in the site address here and you click on add. For the sites you do not want to allow to send notifications, they will be listed here. Then if you want to customize a particular site to be allowed to send notifications while the other ones are not allowed, click on add here, put in the site address, click on add again. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to edit notifications permission for sites on OperaGX.